Sony Pictures Television logo bloopers. The Christmas special. Cut. MasterCard, what are you doing here? I'm taking over the studio because... Hold on. I'm taking over the studio because I love you guys. Don't you dare. Get out of the studio. Think inside your head. If you think inside... That's it! What do you mean that's it? If you don't leave, Sony Pictures Television is going to scare you. If you don't get out of the studio, Sony Pictures Television is going to scare you with the Glass Geeks of a robot. Now, for Pete's sake, just leave. For the love of God. Take 2. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. From Spirit Pictures with Persistent Details now. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, what are you doing here? Excuse me. I'm not really good today. Anyway, Spiffy Pictures, what are you doing here? I'm looking for Curious Buddies. Well, Curious Buddies is not here, so leave. Take 3. Cut. Class Geek Suppose, what are you doing here? I'm looking for Nick Rewind. Well, Nick Rewind isn't here because Nick Rewind has shows that are canceled taken off Nickelodeon. Message. I have watched Nick Rewind yesterday for the very first time. I never watched Nick Rewind in my life. So get out of here. Alright. Take number 4. Cut. Why is Acer doing here? Trying to look for macOS section. Sorry, but macOS section isn't here, so leave. Alright, Sony. One last chance. Screw this up, you're fired. Whoa. Okay, cut. Nick Rewind. What are you doing here? Well, I'm trying to look for canceled Nickelodeon shows. Nope, but Nickelodeon canceled shows are not here, Nick Rewind. Leave. And Sony Pictures Television, you're fired. Leave the studio now. Oh yeah? Well, I'm never getting a job like this anyway. You suck like beans. I'm out of here.